Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're here, you're probably wondering, why is my Blink doorbell not recording? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we're going to dive into some common reasons why this might be happening and how you can fix it. Let's get started. Alright, the first thing we need to check is your Blink app settings. Sometimes, the problem can be as simple as a configuration issue. So, grab your phone and let's go through this together. Open the Blink app and go to your doorbell camera settings. Make sure that the motion detection and motion recording settings are turned on. If they're off, your doorbell won't record any activity. Another thing to check is your Wi-Fi connection. Your Blink doorbell needs a strong and stable connection to record and upload videos. Let's make sure your doorbell is properly connected. If your Wi-Fi signal is weak, you might need to move your router closer to your doorbell or use a Wi-Fi extender. Also ensure that your internet is working fine. A quick restart of your router can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. Next, let's check the battery. If your Blink doorbell is running low on power, it might not be able to record. Open the doorbell and make sure the batteries are properly installed and have enough charge. Replace them if necessary. Make sure the batteries are securely placed and try using lithium batteries for longer life and better performance. Sometimes, the issue can be related to the firmware. Blink frequently updates its firmware to fix bugs and improve performance. Let's check if your doorbell's firmware is up to date. In the Blink app, go to the settings of your doorbell and look for the firmware version. If there's an update available, make sure to install it. This can resolve many common issues. If you've checked all these things and your Blink doorbell is still not recording, it might be time to reset it. Here's how you can do it. Press and hold the reset button on the back of your doorbell for about 10 to 15 seconds until you see a red light flashing. This will reset the doorbell to its factory settings. You'll need to set it up again in the Blink app, but this can often resolve persistent issues. Conclusion. And there you have it. These are some of the most common reasons why your Blink doorbell might not be recording and how you can fix them. If you've tried all these steps and it's still not working, it might be time to contact Blink customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.